Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Assess. Now if you're wondering how to send an image or a picture on Gmail account, now this is the perfect video for you. Now sending an image or attaching a file is a similar process. Now in order to do that, first you need to go to your Gmail account. So now on the web browser, so on top there is a search bar, type mail.google.com and I will leave the link on the description box as well. So now you land inside a Gmail account or an inbox page. Now the inbox page should look something like this. Now here you can see there are a list of emails. So in order to send an image, first you need to compose an email. So for that, move towards your left hand side and right on top there is compose, tap on it. So as soon as you tap on compose, on the right hand side corner there is a blank document and now on top there is new message and under it there is to. So here you need to write a receiver's email address. So enter a correct email address and you can send the same email to a multiple person as well at the same time. So once you're done entering your receiver's email address, so under it there is subject. So on the subject you can write anything such as picture of my pet. So once you're done entering your subject, so under it there is a blank document. So here you can write a message or you can just leave it blank. If you want to write a message, you can write anything about your dog or anything that you wish to write. So once you're done entering your email or a message, now go down to the bottom and on the third step there is a paperclip icon. So as you tap on it, there is attach file. So in order to attach a picture, first you need to tap on the paperclip icon. So tap on it. So as you tap on the paperclip icon, on the upward left hand side corner, dialog box appear which includes all your folder. So from here you need to select your particular folder. So as I always store my files or images on E drive, so I need to tap on local disk E. It depends on you, so you need to tap on your particular files in which you have stored your pictures. So the image that I'm sending is here, so you need to double click it. So as you double click it, so on the mail you can see there is my image. So once you're done selecting your image, so tap on send icon which is on the corner right in the bottom. So tap on it. So in order to check if your email was sent or not, so for that, move towards your left hand side corner and there is send, tap on it. So as soon as you tap on send, here you can see a list of emails that you have already sent. So your current email that you sent it recently will be on the top and here you can see that my email has been sent. So the picture that I imported is also loaded and this is how you can send a picture on Gmail account on your device. And that's all for this video. If the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.